Hi guys, good morning. Wait, actually, it's not morning, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I got up at around 11:15. Yeah, I got up at that time. Then I took a long shower. I am so in that zone right now, you guys have no idea. So, yeah. I took a long shower. Today I am going out after like days of being dead. I mean, I wouldn't say dead. I was on my period, so pretty much dead. And I didn't do anything productive. Not just because of that, but I wasn't feeling anything also. Like I just didn't want to do anything. Plus, college is over, exams are over, and the tension is kicking in. And honestly, I do have a few plans here and there, but like nothing major. And career wise also I do have something going on, but I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just really scared, but it's okay. We will get through it. Yeah. I'm actually late. I'm supposed to be going out right now, and I will take you guys with me. Please guys, sometimes no, like please don't mind me. I don't talk a lot. Like it may be hard to believe, but I usually don't talk a lot. So it's like difficult for me to talk. But don't mind me. I will see you guys after I'm ready. Bye. Hi guys, I'm done with my makeup. This is what it looks like. Let's get dressed, which is another task. Hi guys, so this is what I'm wearing. It's very hot outside, like extremely hot. So and we're good to go. Bye.
Yeah, save yeah. Oh my god.
What's in the bag, Hall?
Woohoo.
So it's chips,
Yeah.
kisses from Pammy,
Yeah.
और ये क्या है?
Yum yum.
Yes. कभी खाया नहीं है मैंने. I will try.
Sour punk.
Saupunk.
Sour punk.
ढूंढ रही है किधर? मैंने बहुत चीजें खाई भी नहीं है. ये नहीं खाया. नहीं.
भाई तू मुंबई में नहीं रही है क्या?
ये खाया है.
ये खाया है ना? गुड गर्ल.
और ये 5 star.
ये तूने उस दिन बोला था ना तेरे को अच्छा लगता है नाइट आउट के दिन. हाँ नहीं मेरे को अच्छा लगता होगा. मैंने बोला ना मैं अपने फेवरेट स्नैक्स लाई हूँ.
शर्म आ रही है.
And then these guys got a frame. And why are we doing all of this for you today?
Because I am moving.
Sad.
Moving away. तू जा रही है वापस तेरे घर. Moving.
Sad, very sad.
मैं खोलूं? Sad but so. बस करो guys. और इतना प्यार मत दिखाओ.
I just left Gaurangi's place and now I want to buy a tripod. So let's see if I can get a tripod. If I get it, then I think I'll get it. I'll buy a tripod from, I don't know. I'll see. I'll go look for a tripod and then we'll go home. Bye. reached home. It is around 5:30ish. The train left at 3:56 or 3:51 or something like that, and I reached Vadala around 4:06 or something like that. And after that, after Vadala, the train stopped. Okay, like we moved a bit forward, and the train stopped. And oh my god, it stopped for an hour. And honestly, like, even though it stopped for like so much time, it was so much fun. Like the lights went off and everything, and then it started raining. This was the first Mumbai rains, I think, of 2024, and it was so awesome. Like, I usually don't romanticize rain at all, because again, if you sit at home and you're free, then it's all fun and games, but if you're outside, it's very kichad, so it's not very pretty. But today, oh my god, like, I just enjoyed it so much, and I didn't even have the best day today. Like, my mood was pretty bad, and I have been at home for the past few days and I haven't been feeling very great. But today I just felt so good. Like, I would say, like, I have experienced Mumbai rains before. I think, like, when I was a kid, I might have experienced the first rain of Mumbai or whatever. But yeah, like, it was nice. I romanticized the rain. I was like listening to like music. I was like looking outside, and it was really nice. I'm in a very good mood actually today. And yeah, I'm very happy, guys. I also secured a tripod, so I will be filming more, I think. Let's see. I'm trying to be... No, I'm not trying to be consistent. I always say I'm trying to be something, but I'm not. No. I will be consistent, guys. I will actually try to be consistent. And yeah, it was a good day. I mean, it is a good day. I still have some work to do. Like, I want to finish it off. But yeah, another thing, my laptop broke. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, my laptop broke, and like, it had been broken for quite a while now. But it was working. But it stopped working also now. So I'm gonna have to send that for repair tomorrow. I don't know if it's gonna happen tomorrow. And I came back home because, I don't know, I just felt like I should go back home and do some work. I will probably do it, but I won't be able to film it because I will be doing it on my phone only. But yeah, let's see. I want to be more productive, guys. Should I start a series? I don't know. Let's see. Anyways, bye. Hi guys, I did some work and I'm also very sleepy, but I also have my chai right here. And I don't have anything else to do right now, so I'll probably just chill. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Bye guys. I hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye.